a rarest of rare, uncommon, and extremely rare item. I can't explain it to you myself, but still, it seems to be a coin, an antique coin, an ancient coin, some coin of some world war, and it is the other side of the coin. Once I posted it on Facebook, the sales groups of coins or extreme special items, and I got some comments of some experts. The first comment was by Mr. Marvin Martinez from Coin Identification Group. What he writes in his comment is, send it Konica coin grading services and for around $5. They will check your coin both sides and they will let you know if it is worth getting graded to maximize the value of your coin. Looks old. Go check out their website. Other comment, Ronald Rodriguez. He writes in his comment, it looks like someone made it, maybe as a project. Full stop. Doesn't look like a real currency to me. And other comment was Robert Bradley. It looks like it had a necklace. Here is that part. Here. Yes, it is here. Yeah, it is here. Bale soldered on it. It looks like it had a necklace. Bale soldered in it, but it is better than a hole, and it did too much damage. Could have been a real coin at one time. Got agree with Marvin. The Mr. Marvin is first person who commented. Now other comment, Mr. Alan Sadie, obviously someone used the coin for an inscription experiment. Didn't do a great job, so it is worth whatever you can get for it. I have no idea what metal composition you have there. Now other comment by Mr. Chris Hond. You have a rare notarial coin, put it on eBay and retire. It means I should put it on eBay and stay idle for whole life. It will get so much of money from the eBay. Now other comment, Hanno John Gherkin, Mr. Hanno Johan Gherkin. He writes, looks like trench art or something. One more comment by Mr. Gary Cook. Is the moderator of the group, the coin identification. Mr. Gary Cook writes, didn't a hand engraved version of that reverse a while back? Looks like the South African coat of arms on 1892 to 1900 pound gold coin. And the last comment by Mr. Tim James Bates. Mr. Tim James Bates, he writes, just like hobo designed, sickled hand carved on buffalo nickels, it is artwork. B. Bear Jones, Sand and GIF shows a person running or jogging on the road. Hope friends, you would have liked this item, and I hope your comments on this item. And experts are extremely requested to furnish their comments positively. Thank you. Thank you, friends.